talking about the overlapping.
Yep. If this tape has to be on top of this tape, which has to be on top of this tape, which has to be on top of this tape. So if you look carefully, you can see they're layered that way.
Everything
That's intentional. Yes.
sort the same way this one.
Yes. And then you do not tape. See the bottom of the window? You do not tape the bottom of the window.
Moisture.
Bingo. That's it. Moisture has to be allowed to flow. It's when you stop it from flowing, that's when you have problems in a house. Okay? Simple things like this. It's cut this way for a reason, so that this is a part of your moisture barrier. It's on top of this edge, and then, see that? And then it's behind here. So the water will come here, flow through this channel. Now it's on top, and it'll just drip and run down. That's all by design. A lot of inspectors don't know that.
Did you?
Yeah. But it's not only the inspectors, it's the installers that do it.
Yeah. Exactly.
And like, here's what we're running up against a lot. We've been doing a lot more business out in Rome County, Carroll, and on out. Is the flips.
Yep.
Which are not
Yep.
getting any sort of
That.
county permitting.
But they were getting general permit and everything under the general permit.
Yeah.
Not supposed to do that. Right?
Talk about this, because you and I had a conversation about J channel.
Yeah, this is your J channel here. Okay, it's like a trunk. So as that water runs down off the siding, it goes here, it runs this way and comes down.
And then this.
This is your siding. Okay, two things are important. Your siding has to be put in loose. Okay, because when it heats, a 10-foot piece of siding will expand close to an inch.
Oh wow!
If you ever look on the side of the house, by the side and you see the siding doing this, chances are they hammered it tight, so it cannot expand and contract, so it bubbles. You're not supposed to. Yeah. If you read the manufacturer's instructions, it says do not instructions. You got to put it in loose.
One more time.
You got to put it in loose.
So what's the purpose of this?
This is just your vinyl. This is just your finish. That's just part of this.
Okay.
So this
That's
just slips in. Yeah.
Got it.
Just clips in here.
So that's the bleeding show that we see.
A lot.
Siding is too tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see that a lot.
I see it where they've had a grill.
Yeah. See that as well. See that as well.
You and I were at a house where they had put in that strip incorrectly, and it was pushing water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or we also see they don't put these boxes, these trim boxes around it. It's the same as this. The guys don't just cut a hole and just screw the thing in there. They don't bother to put that trim in there.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just water penetration waiting to happen. Okay. Will happen tomorrow, but over the years, slowly that water seeps in. Next thing you know, the plywood in the back is all rotted out. Yeah. Acid falls in.
Yeah.
Long. Then roofing, same thing. It's a process. It's like the neatest job. And if you look carefully, okay, this is your drip edge. The drip edge has to be below what they call the ice guard. So if water's running down, you don't want water to get behind here. Oftentimes they'll put this in after the fact, okay, on top of the moisture barrier. In which case, water coming down now gets underneath this. Now it's attacking this, and all of this rots out, and then your gutter falls off. And all they had to do was put it on top. So now the water travels here. So this is on top of this, okay, which is the gutter, which is behind it. So it's a layering process. Whatever is above should always be on top, no matter what it is. Okay, you do that, your house won't leak. You won't need caulk. Today we rely on caulk. They caulk everything.